Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have finally reached 5K subscribers today. And the reason why I reached 5K subscribers is because of my friends helped me to get me to 5K subscribers. So that's a shout out to them. So yeah guys, we got our trophy, which I made. So yeah, so today we are going to be reviewing free Hot Wheels Hot Wheels cars. So today, here we go. The first one we got is a Golf 32 Ford. We have here it is from Rod Squad. First car we got. Next car we got is the Matt and Derby's Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird from Hot Wheels Drag Strip series. There it is, nice pink. Next we got the 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport from Muscle Mania. Look at that shiny looking orange on there, wow. And we also got our Hot Wheels Ford case, which we're gonna put our cars in there. So first car we are going to open, let's switch it around, is this one, the Matt and Debbie's Hayes 1998 Pro Firebird, or no, yeah, Thunderbird. So here it is, let's pop it open. Oh man, there we go. Let's take a look at the car. Wow, this is actually my first version of this casting. I really like the new design for this car. Like, dang, I think this is a real life car in real life, I think. So here it is, let's give it a little spin. So yeah guys, if you take a look at this car, honestly, I like this new casting for 2022. This is from last year, but honestly, I like the casting. It's a new casting from my collection, which is pretty nice. I like the little air blower on the front of it. The very nice pearl kind of pink, kind of very shiny thing. The interior of the car is all chromed out, and the back spoiler is made out of chrome. And honestly, the car is pretty nice. I like the side design, like the 80s style on the side of the car. Pretty cool plastic headlights on the front. And we also got the Thunderbird logo on there. It also has a pretty cool little parachute on the back because it's a drag strip car, because if it goes too fast, it's gonna fly. So they got the little jetpack on the back, or I mean parachute at the back, and also pretty cool chrome headlights too. So here is the 1998 Ford Thunderbird. Boom. There we go. I like this new casting. It's like a new car for my collection. So you guys, let's take a look at the next car. The next car we have is the 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport. Oh, just throw these on the ground for now. Yes. Oh, oh my god. Oh, I thought I scratched it. Oh my. Here is the 19s. Oh. What? Oh. Oh. You gotta be joking me. Look at the windshield. It's all weird and scratched up. What the heck? Is this some error? Is this like... Oh my... You know what? It's alright guys. It's just a little scratch on the car. I wish mine didn't have a scratch. It's alright. So guys, let's take a look at the car. We got our 1972 Ford Torino. I really like the orange color on it. Pretty cool chrome bumper on the back. I love the little white stripe that goes on the side of the car and also goes down the car. Pretty cool chrome interior also. And also has a chrome front, chrome grille on the front, and also some chrome wheels too. So yeah, look at that. Some 5 spokes on it. So there we go. There we go. Ford Gran Torino Sport. Let's take a look at our last car, the 32 Ford. Pop it open. Oh. It's strange. How come this one has scratches on it? It looks like someone bought it before and like they played with it, but after they returned it. That's what I think. I grabbed the wrong one, I guess. Let's take a look at this 32 Ford. I really love the Golf livery on this 32 Ford. I love that light blue with the orange stripe on the top of it. Pretty cool chromed out engine. Also has a little Golf logo on top of it. I also love that design. Just look at that hot rod looking design. Pretty cool design on it. It has a nice chrome rings around the tires, orange base on the car. It also has a number 3 meatball on the side. Also has the Golf logo on here too. So there it is, the 32 Ford. I don't know, I like this color in it. Golf. So alright guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. So yep, go check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. I do gaming videos about Roblox and stuff. So yep, make sure to like and subscribe. And yep, bye. Oh man, that sucks. Got a scratch. It's alright. Oh, hold on, wait guys, I almost forgot. So dumb. No. Okay, there we go. So right now, oh, it's kind of wobbly. Okay, here we go. The Ford, my Thunderbird is gonna go in here now. So where did it go? Whoa. Oh yeah, here. There we go. It's like, there we go. Next car we got in here, Ford Gran Torino Sport. Gonna be popped in here. There we go. Let's go to the other box. That is our first box. Let's go to the second one. Let's pop it open. There we go. Let's close that door. There we go guys. So now we filled up our Ford HotWheels cases like a little bit so far. We still got a few more cars to fill in. So far I think this case is finished, but we still need to finish this case guys. So we need to open some more cars and to finish it off. And guys, we're so close to finishing this case. All we need to do is open one more car and we're gonna be done with those cases. So yeah guys, this is the actual end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yep, bye.